at my local architectural salvage looking for old windows for the kitchen. I don't have the highest of hopes that I'll find them salvaged, but I'll check. Oh, and I also brought some bread from the farmer's market with me, just in case I get hungry. Let me back up and explain. So this bump out garden window we're gonna remove, and in order to do that I need to put new windows in. So I need 2 windows of each double sash, double hung windows. So 1 sash, 2 sash. So I need 4 total, and I need them to be the exact correct size to put back in those openings so I can get rid of this stupid thing. Too big. Still too big. Too big. Too big. Struck out at Architectural Salvage, so I'm at Habitat for Humanity Restore, and I think I've struck out again.
Let's go surfing now, everybody's learning how, come on a safari with me.
Unfortunately, everything here is too new. It's all aluminum and vinyl, no wood. Well, here's the first wood window of the day. And it's the right width. But too tall. I've been hunting around locally for the windows and I can't seem to find them, so I've been online on eBay and different websites and calling around, and I finally found them. Up in Pasadena at the local architectural salvage, they have the exact right size and the exact quantity that I need. So I put them on hold and I'll drive up and get them this weekend. Here they are. It's amazing, I didn't have to stop to go pee along the way. But of course I have to go now, so pit stop, then architectural salvage.
Let's go surfing now, everybody's learning how, come on a safari with me.
And it's great because I've been looking all over and I can't find these dimensions.
Yeah, no, I know. I've been on the hunt for salvaged or reclaimed hardwood flooring to put in the kitchen,
and I've been striking out everywhere, but I heard that this place here might have it. And when I got here, I just recognized the name is really familiar. This is who Emily Henderson used in the Mountain House, and that turned out beautifully. So hopefully I have good luck here too.
Serving USA.
It's some really great stuff. It's all reclaimed lumber that they've then milled to be tongue and groove flooring. So it's not old flooring that used to be in someone's house as much as old wood that used to be in like a barn or something. And it had like quite a bit of a patina, which is more than I'm looking for. But if they plane it down, which basically means like they sand off the top, which has the age and the patina, which most people go for, but I'm more going for the simple wood, it could work. Just have to think about it. Just charged the car, got some lunch while it charged, and then I'm gonna head home, queued up some good podcasts. It took only 2 hours to get up here, but it's gonna take 3 hours to get home, so it's not too bad. I thought I was gonna go home, but instead I came back to the salvage place because I need a new back door. I'll explain it in a second. This back door right here is going to get walled off on the inside when we remodel, but because of our historic designation, we need to keep the opening of this door so that it can still be a reminder of what was once here. However, it'll be pretty weird to wall off a glass door, so I'm looking for one that doesn't have glass in it and it's just a flat panel. Also, whoever did this before, they just put plexiglass in there, so it actually was not installed correctly and it's kind of rotting and it's just not in great shape. So I need a new old door. Back to Pasadena.
Serving USA.
This is the gal that I picked out. Just a single panel. So I picked up a door. It barely fit in the car, but I did it.
Serving USA.
I still have a lot of work to do on those sashes to turn them into actual functioning windows, like getting new glass and weights and priming and prepping and fitting them. So subscribe to follow along on the rest of the window journey as well as the entire kitchen renovation. There's a lot to come.
Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me. Come on, baby, take it far. It's time to take you surfing to the Come on, baby, take it far. It's time to take you surfing to the
And I didn't have to stop for pee, 2 pee.